Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is a continuation in my home office revamp series. I've been sharing with you guys how I am transforming this space, and in one of my most recent episodes of this series, I shared the new layout that I have. Now I am in the process of really organizing and trying to find proper placement for things. So I shared an organizational haul. You guys saw the new layout. I have the entire series linked in the description box. Today I'm going to be setting up this cart that I got, which is for all things Cricut that I have going on. And it is the Essex cart from Michael's. I'm actually going to lift it so you guys can see. Here it is, my new toy. So here it is, and has a foldable side desk, locking wheels. It has 6 drawers total. This I'm going to be using to kind of like how it is set up here on the box. I'm going to be using it for, I'm not going to put my Cricut, but I am going to use the top surface for when I am making shirts and projects like that. I am going to put my Easy Press, and then the bottom is going to have like vinyl and more stuff like that that pertains to my machine. And I have the Cricut Explore Air. Which one is it? Yeah, the Explore Air 2 in like this red color. So yeah, we're going to be putting this baby together. I'm going to go ahead and just set it up by myself, and then I'll share with you guys how I'm organizing it. And then I'm also going to be sharing in future videos my planner cart. And then I have maybe another organizational video that'll be coming after that. And then it'll be the big reveal of my office. So excited to get down to more organizing. And I was hesitant about buying more organizers because, you know, you don't need more organizers to organize the space, but everything does need a home and it needs to function. The whole purpose of me buying this, which was actually a suggestion from my boyfriend, was that I didn't have a good spot for my Easy Press, and I wanted to be able to cool down in the central location without me having to put it on my floor or have it take up my workspace. So this is the perfect spot for that. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and then I'll show it to you guys once I'm done. All right, so here is the cart put up. I've already started to organize a little bit, but when it came to putting this together, it wasn't difficult. I just didn't read the directions all the way, and I was putting some things in the wrong spaces, but for the most part, it was pretty easy to put together. Like this part here just snapped down, as well as that. The drawers were easy to go in. This part right here, there's like a hole there to stick that part in, and then this comes down, so that's that. As for how I'm going to be using this, I kind of started putting things in the drawers already, but the top space is going to be left clear permanently. I'm not going to put anything on top because I want this to be my workspace for when I'm making shirts, whereas I don't want to have to always clear my desk. So that was the purpose of getting this. My Easy Press should be able to sit here when I am working on whether it's shirts or whatever else I'm doing. But right now it is housed there. And here I have an iron. And this container I shared in my haul of stuff that I got from like Home Goods, well, not Home Goods, TJ Maxx and Michael's. So I'll have, again, the whole entire series linked below. I do have a towel, which I use as well. And then in these drawers, I have vinyl. So I'll have in the description box where I get my vinyl from on Amazon. I tried the Cricut iron-on. I just wasn't a huge fan of it. So this is from J&J Packaging on Amazon, and I've been having just amazing success with this. Super easy to weed and everything. So I have that, and then I have more in here. I pretty much divided it by colors, and then these were like the multi-packs and stuff that I further divided. I do need to put labels on these so I can remember what colors are in here, but that's how I have that. This drawer is empty. This one, I just have some stuff in here for custom stuff I'm going to be working on. And then this is just random stuff. So not exactly sure what all is going to be going into the drawers, but that is it. But again, this is going to be clear. I was thinking about moving this over there, but it was too wide. It doesn't fit. My planner cart, I moved there from being over here because I was thinking that if I tried a few configurations before I decided against that wall. So I was hoping that it would go where my planner cart was. My planner cart was here. I had vinyl stored in a crate and stuff on the floor in that area there. I also tried shifting this table over and then shifting that over. And as you can see, my desk is now a mess. My floor is a mess. So a lot of this stuff is going to have to get cleaned up. But now that I have a little more storage, I don't have to just worry about these 3 drawers trying to house everything. I'm now going to be keeping like all things Cricut and projects I'm working on for that here. That is again going to be going back where it was. This 3 drawer that I got here from Target, I have like packaging stuff that I use for Etsy down there. I have some paper there and then some miscellaneous stuff that's going to be coming out, but I just put it there for the time being. And then on top, I have my Cricut mats as well as my paper trimmers. Now for my machines and everything, while my Cricut, this is the Cricut Explorer Air 2, while this would fit on top of there, I prefer to have it here for when I'm working with my computer and I have to plug in the cord and then I print everything out. And then when it comes time for me to have a workspace, I can just move this over. As you can see, it does roll and it also locks as well. But that is the basics of me setting this up. I'll go ahead and share how this comes down. It's just a matter of lifting. That was really, really loud. That was loud. But anyway, it's just a matter of lifting that, letting it fall. I did that one-handed. And then here it is. So this is actually going to be shifting over. I didn't want it to be exactly behind my desk so that I can roll my chair back. But again, when I'm ready to use this, I can just roll it over into this area. I'm still able to sit in my chair because my chair just pulls up just like that. So if I want to sit, I usually do stuff standing though. But this is just the perfect area right here. So I'm super happy with it. So that is it. This is going to be shifted over. That is going to be going back over here and I'll be giving you guys a tour. And then once I get my desk cleaned up, you guys will see more of that. But right now it's just a lot of trash on my desk, a lot of things that need to be moved to new homes. But that is that. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments section. So let's chat there. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to products featured, as well as related videos. And of course, the entire home office revamp series. I hope that you guys will stay tuned for more that I have coming, as well as other content here on the channel. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.